The PolarStore transcends the realm of mere technology advancement. It represents a critical solution that will revolutionize food preservation practice, post-harvest losses, and significantly enhance energy efficiency.
This solar-powered system can transform the way that perishable goods, but also pharmaceuticals, are stored in Nigeria.
This project is a testament to what is possible when governments, businesses, and technology providers come together to create impact-driven solutions.
We possess a vast renewable energy resource across board. I mean, there are things like the wind energy potential along the coast is very rife.
I believe the cluster is about human connections. The cluster enables us firstly to work with the other consortium partners, like SolarCentric, like SOSAI, which we already know for a long time, with Rubitech and so many others. It is the first one to enter Africa, and we chose Nigeria because Nigeria has been good to us, and we think the market potential is enormous.
I think this solution, this product, offers a variety for the small scale, but also for the larger firms, because it's modular based and they can modify it in whatever way is possible.
What we have here is a 75 kilowatt peak system in a 40-feet container, and this is just a special design.
In a lot of countries they go for renewable energy because it's a green initiative, but in Nigeria it's also a business case. So if you use renewable energy, it's actually now cheaper because of the cost of diesel, the cost of conventional electricity. So renewable energy has now become affordable for businesses.
We believe and we know that the Nigerian market is in a need of energy and cold storage.
40-foot container, solar powered, not connected to the grid at all. You know the interesting thing? It's powering everything you're seeing here.